Hello guys, so today we are going to be talking about Pandabuy and more specifically 5 different types of scams that can happen on Pandabuy. So this video is for educational purposes and to basically teach you what you need to be aware of and what you need to think about when using this website. So the first scam is the affiliate game scam. So this scam consists of individuals who joined the Pandabuy affiliate program, and then they use different types of scams to convince others to sign up through their referral links. For example, they promise you that if you use their referral link, you will get a certain coupon code or a special discount. However, there are usually no coupon codes, and these promises are often false. So to prevent falling for this scam, you should always use reliable sources for Pandabuy, such as reliable sellers and reliable influencers that you trust. The second scam that is pretty common is the refunding scam. So scammers try to deceive Pandabuy by providing them with a refund for items they claim are lost, damaged, or missing from their package. However, claiming that an entire package is lost can be difficult to prove. However, claiming that an item is missing or the package has been damaged is relatively easy, and scammers may only provide pictures as proof, making it challenging for the logistics companies to determine whether the claimed damaged or missing item is legitimate. So to protect yourself from falling victim to this scam, be cautious when submitting refund requests. The second scam is the one-to-one replica reselling scam. Sorry, not the second, but the third scam. So basically this scam involves sellers buying high-quality replicas of certain items such as shoes or luxury clothing, and then they purposefully sell these items as being the real deal, and they sell them on a high price, but that price is still discounted compared to the original item. So people think that they're getting a deal, but they are actually getting scammed. So you can use authentication apps and seek advice from experts in the field to ensure you are buying genuine goods. Another scam, which is also a form of this scam, is an electronic scam. So this involves buying knockoff headphones, knockoff electronic items, and then reselling them as genuine products for inflated prices. So the same precautions are for this one and the previous one. And then you have the Pandabuy affiliate tutorial scam. So basically this is a scam that is connected to the people that promise to give you knowledge or to teach you how to earn a substantial amount of money on Pandabuy through the affiliate program. But in order to give you this knowledge, they require you to pay them. So they teach you. However, these are always scams, and they usually consist of once they receive the money, scammers just block the people, or they just give them advice that doesn't work. So yeah, I would say that these are the 5 most common scams that you could run into, and I hope that you will take them into consideration while dealing with Pandabuy in the future. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.